Yeah, don't take it too serious. If it don't go our way, ain't no fear in us.
那个是 Beijing。
这个叫辣椒炒肉，那个绿色是辣椒，辣椒炒肉会有点。
你们跟老师见面的时候说中文吗？
我们谁不可以谁都不可以说英文，很难，很难。
What would happen if you pause on all the action? Quit the stress and need no caption. Give your Instagram vacation. Yeah, work on your patience. Yeah, but you ain't facing. Yeah, yeah. I'm in awe. Oh my god. You gon' amaze me. You're the bomb. And I just be setting the stage so that you get out the way. Cause you won't elicit the praise out of the mouth of the babes. And I just be stuck in a daze. Ain't that it's not about the way I sing. Then you question me for why I'm in the
干饺子是一个很累的活吗？所以因为你刚才
哦，很快。
不好看。
啊，这个是你的那个。好漂亮。祝你生日快乐！祝你生日快乐！祝你生日快乐！对，我们还有吗？你们想吃饺子吗？因为要粉丝吗？谁还要粉丝？
多少20？我也20岁。
我也20岁，20。谁上不搭的？
我不担心，我不担心。
You break it, you fight, period. Welcome back to my Minecraft. Let's play shit. Oh, jewelry.
I know that it's higher than my own soul. I know that your love surpasses all things. I know, yeah. I know, yeah. What do you want me to show you?
哦，对，不好意思。Get this in the shot.
I'm doing my makeup right now, but I was like, I should probably like pop in here and say something because why are you in China? Like that's kind of random, is it not? But it's not really. It's actually not really random. And I'm gonna tell you why. So I'm a double major in English and Chinese language and not literature, Chinese language and culture. When I came into college, it was just English, and I kind of like just fell into this Chinese class because my advisor, like Okay, everyone has an advisor that we see like twice a semester, or one of our advisors is an academic advisor. And on like the orientation day, my advisor was like, "Oh, you want to take Spanish because I need a foreign language?" And I was like, "Yes, I'm trying to get in and out. Like I've never taken a language class before. Not really interested." And also, and that sounds crazy to say now because I'm literally here, but my learning style, I just feel like learning language would be really hard for me and just the way my brain works. So I was like, I'm just gonna take Spanish because it's easy and like just get in and out, do the 2 years and just then continue taking English classes, like English major classes. And she was like, you should come to my Chinese class because she's the first year Chinese teacher. And I was like, I'm going to not do that. And she was like, oh, like da da da. And by the way, she's not just saying this to me. She's saying this to the group of advisees that she has. There was like 3 of us, and the rest of them were like, eh. But I felt bad. I was like, okay, like I'll try it. I'll do like I was just gonna go the first day, and then like I was just like, wait, this is kind of it's kind of fun. Like, is this like, could I actually speak Mandarin if I stayed in this class and I like tried? And then I proceeded to not try for the rest of the semester. But then after that, like in the spring semester, I really locked in because that was first year fall. Then first year spring, like I really locked in on Chinese, well, a little like a stronger. And I was like, wait, let me actually try on these vocab quizzes and let me actually try. That's crazy that I was the whole first time I was just kind of there. And I mean, like, I wouldn't say I was the worst in the class, but there was definitely students better than me. And there's 5 of us. So that was fun. But yeah, so now more recently, it's second year. Now it's second year of my second year of college, and all my friends are studying abroad. Homegirl's going to, like, I'm not gonna lie, I always mess up the name, but like 2 of them are going to Europe, 1 of them's going to Australia. Like these girls are like traveling the world, and I'm like, oh, okay, that's cool. That's interesting. But me, I haven't been out of the country since the earthquake in Haiti, like before that. So I'm like, I don't think I could do that because I'd probably cry on the way to the airport. But they were like, low key though, like you should like try. And so I was like, okay, let me look for a program that's like only in January though, because I'm not gonna lie, with like the double major and everything, like I need to be at school so I could take the classes. So I looked for a January program, and the thing is with the January programs, I like for like the Jan term, I could only find ones in China. Like I was trying to go to Taiwan because like everyone's like, oh yeah, go to Taiwan, oh, which is cool, yeah, like heart Taiwan. But like all the ones I found for January were in China. So I was like, okay, like it's whatever. I didn't think much of it at the time, which was a mistake, but it's okay. But yeah, so January, and the one I ended up choosing was in Beijing, which was also a mistake because I wanted to go to Shanghai because I did not want it to be this cold, but I guess I'll get used to it. I don't think I'm going to get used to it. It's really cold and I don't like it, but everything else is fine. No other complaints. So now we're going to get to the part where I live in Florida. So in Florida, there is a law. I was going to say bill, but it passed. So it's a law. Basically, there's countries that students, like, the educational, it's a larger thing, but the part that matters to me was the educational institutions cannot be in relations. That word is also important to certain countries including Russia, Venezuela, and the People's Republic of China, which is where I'm trying to go. Me personally, I didn't even know about this law before. I was just like, oh, well, that doesn't have to do with me because it's a study abroad program, and also it's based in DC. So does it really count? Yes, it counts. And my school let me know that as soon as I asked them to fill out their part of the application thing, they were like, oh, China? No. And I was like, what? And they were like, no. And I was like, oh, okay. So the first 2-3 months of the semester, I was going back and forth with the study like the study abroad office and the provost and the legal council. There's like administration on like I want to do this program, and they said no, you can't do that because it's in China and we can't sanction that because it's illegal. Like it's illegal. It's illegal for them to like say yes for me to go. So that was literally a whole thing. And I was going and I was talking to the CET. Oh, also, by the way, it's a CET academic programs in Beijing, the Jing term. That's what I'm doing. But like I was going back and forth with them and...
Stepping off the box. Not driving down the road. From all.
That he gave me in. So I fall to my knees and I pray you. And I cannot deny that you are the one for me. You gave your life, I gave my life, I don't run from you. I'll do what you want me to. Show you that I'm running up to you.
你喜欢爬山吗？
喜欢。
你喜欢真的吗？
一会。
然后那间全场。
好，我想。
BJ，
我不知道，我想。
OK BJ， 去北京吗？
对不起。
Yes, because I tried on those 3 different outfits, and the second one, the skirt was a little bit big, but I knew as soon as I put on that white skirt, I said, this is coming home with me. So yeah. not gonna lie, like that's kind of cool that it goes up to 1 terabyte, but it's not worth that much money. I don't think so. When simple fools me, girl. Period. I want to get like a lip thingy. Probably not from here though. Which one is this? You can move it to video. Oh, okay. Sorry. Oh. Oh, you can't. Oh, it's so. I'm gonna try to take it again over there. WG.
Okay, okay. Ooh.
不可以，我只看了。
你多大？可以问吗？
我
这样啊。
今天我们去有名的人互通，我觉得。哦。你有妈妈？哦哦。他不是这样。建筑，这是以前。这是唱歌。对。我知道。哦。哦。
Something about your love's got a way about it. Like everything you say got me stuck on you. It's not always pretty, but I'm lost without it. Cause you're the way, the light, and the perfect truth. Forgot to love this love that he gave me you. So I fall to my knees and I pray you. And I cannot deny that you are the one for me. You gave your life, I gave my life, I won't run from you.
来一份面条，来一个柚子花，我吃点这些。蔬菜金华，蔬菜玉米，公菜。
Period. Put it in. Yeah, you guys are in the frame. It's okay. Let's get it.
Everything I eat in Beijing.
Eating with some friends today. Very fun. Since I'm eating alone, I got myself a little drinky drink. I don't know what it is though, so I guess we'll find out. Oh, it's so, why does my hand look so large from this angle? I'm done. I'm not gonna lie, it's all right. And yes, I finished all my food. It's all right. It would just be so much better if it had like a Sprite with it, like mix it with Sprite, because it's like it's missing some bubbly. But that's just me though. I also don't. They took out the juice and the pleasure, so I don't know if that's impacting my thoughts, but yeah.
我们在那边吧 ，AB 在那边。
那你可以。Not me losing my. I dropped my card, and so I had to. Actually, I didn't really even sneak in here. The doors were all open. But I had to come back. That's good though. If it wasn't in here, I don't know where else it would be. I'm not gonna lie. Almost. But got my card back. Like this door, like I was like, oh no, the door's closed, but it's literally it's just open. Like I don't know why, but no, it's a security issue, but it's not my issue. So